You're watching Gears, brought to you by LMC Truck. Keep them on the road.
Hey, welcome to Gears, where we are finally ready to put a face on the Stunt Double project, meaning the bumpers, the headlights, the grill, that kind of thing. Now, as you can see from the cowl back, the truck is all reassembled and we've already pre-fit the front fenders. But before we put those on for the last time, there's some stuff that we need to do up front while we have good access to everything. I'm talking about the air conditioning and the radiator. Now, this truck came with factory air, but a lot has changed since 1986 when it comes to automotive air conditioning. For example, look how massive that system is. It not only completely filled up the dash, but it also stuck out here in the engine bay about this far, taking up all kinds of room. Now, you can get just about every part that you want to restore that old system from LMC if that's what you want to do. But converting to an aftermarket system like this one from Vintage Air will give us a better system, it'll take up less room, and it's designed to bolt right in place under the dash with only the hoses coming through the firewall. Quite an improvement. The condenser is another place you're going to see a big difference because the original looks more like a radiator than the new condenser that comes with the Vintage Air system. So, to help fill that hole, you got special brackets that just screw to the condenser and allow this to fill the area that this once did. However, to fit the new hard lines, you might need to do some minor tweaking to the core support to get everything to tuck into place like it should. Okay, the radiator is next. And there was a time not too long ago where you would take down your old radiator to a radiator shop, have it boiled out, repaired, and reuse it because replacements were expensive and hard to come by. Well, a couple of things have changed over the years. First of all, most radiator shops have closed and replacements are now available. So instead of reusing this, we're going to go with this 4-row aluminum radiator we got from Frostbite.